Kevin, we're out here early morning because the store is packed, so we have to come early morning with Benjamin from the brand new Viva La Dough.
Viva La Dough.
Kevin, the store is booming and rocking. We barely could get in, so we have to come earlier. What is it, like 6 in the morning now?
Absolutely.
Kevin, let me show you. Today's the big grand opening, and in honor of the grand opening, whoever comes here today gets a free
pastry.
Free pastry, Kevin.
Yes.
So get yourself up early out of bed because this place is going to be packed today.
Absolutely.
Take us in, Benjamin. Let's see this beautiful location. And let's hear a little about your specialty items.
Absolutely. Let's go. Let's do it.
Wow. Beautiful location. Stunning. Wow. Look at the roof over here. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. We have him giving out over here the pastries. Who designed your place, Benjamin?
That was actually the inspiration and the team. We had the special designer team.
Really?
Put all the thoughts into reality.
From the ceiling to the walls to the floor. It's just ambience over here.
Thank you.
So Benjamin, everybody's been talking about these items over here. Chaim, you gotta try these items when you come in. Let me hear a little about these items here.
So this is primarily the fruit mousses, and they remind of a real fruit. You bite and you have a perfect feeling of a food texture and the puree. And I welcome you to come and try it.
Wow, so it's like an explosion of fruit in your mouth.
Absolutely.
Wow, just the look of it. Look at the look.
Because it became very viral around the world, especially in France. And unfortunately, we at people who eat only strictly kosher, it was never available for us.
Wow.
So we worked in our research and development department, worked very hard to actually
get those.
And we are happy to present them.
It looks gorgeous. Have it straight out of the oven over here. Look at this. Fresh. Getting put over the counter. In minutes, this is going to be grabbed. In minutes, this is going to be gone. Wow. Look at the chocolate oozing out. Benjamin, if you walk in here, you get greeted by these great people who offer you a croissant. This is amazing, Benjamin. Look at this. Okay, so now we have it physical to touch.
This is probably one of the best sellers is a mango.
The mango.
All right, when you bite the mango, you feel like you're eating a real fresh mango.
Really? And what is that? It's actual mousse?
Yes.
Great.
With the mango puree.
What's inside of it?
It's
let's see what's inside.
You can actually bite it.
You can bite it?
You bite it and or you cut it and you
cut it open. Oh wow, look how soft that is.
Yes.
It cracks. Wow. Get back and what's inside. Look what is inside. That's great. Soft, crunch on the outside, cake on the inside.
Try it.
That's ridiculous. And that's the raspberry?
This is raspberry.
Slice that raspberry right there down the middle. Wow. Guys, you see that? That's legit. Can't make that up. Wow. Then we have the apple, and then we have what's that? It's a heart.
This is the strawberry.
Strawberry. This is something everybody got to taste, man. This is something everybody got to taste. The ambience. Wow. And you guys are serving also, besides for the pastries, you guys are serving like bread,
sourdoughs, many other more of.
It's not out yet because it's still.
Well, we actually do. We actually do have a bread now. Yeah.
Kevin, get my cake. That's a croissant pizza, one of a kind. Benny, this is just unreal. All right, now we have the manager. Benny's gonna show us a little of the sourdoughs.
Okay, so we have a country white sourdough.
Okay.
And we have a multi-grain sourdough.
Kevin, a crispy straight out of the oven, made over here on the spot. Oh man, look at these.
This is kale and hot honey. And hot honey. And this one is broccoli and cheddar.
Oh my goodness, and it's all on croissant-dough.
I want you to see that everything is being baked right here.
Oh man, so it's fresh made. You don't get stuff from other places.
No.
Made here on the spot, guys.
Yeah, look. This is all being proofed now.
Wow.
This is the croissant pizza.
Croissant pizza.
It's being proofed. These came out of the oven.
Wow. Look at this rugelach, guys.
That's it.
These are the doughs, and here's a salad bar over here.
Look how clean everything.
Pizza, look how clean, spotless. This guy's working hard. He's making pizzas over here. Beautiful.
We make sandwiches, avocado toast, tuna sandwich.
But everything over here is unique, different, not the typical. This is a one-of-a-kind croissant pizza. Nice coffee bar over here. Oh, I'm gonna get my cake. So here we have Tony over here. Tony's one of the waiters, or what do you call it?
Servers,
baristas.
Yes.
I love that outfit you guys over
there.
Yes,
so dapper. I love it.
It's great. How do you enjoy working there?
I love it. It's the best place to be.
It's just a good vibe.
Good vibe. Great community. Great smiles. Everything.
Amazing. So look at the salad over here. Lined up so nice in the back. We have the coffee station. Wow, the soup station over here. All right, so what are you giving out here today?
I'm good. How are you?
What are you giving out? What is that?
I'll give it almond croissant.
almond croissant on the house today. Kevin, come over. Wow.
It's very tasty, bro.
It's very tasty, I'm sure. Let me get one over there.
Sure.
Okay, but can you hear that crunch, guys? Listen to that crunch over there. Wow. Kevin,
Take and have a nice day.
beautiful.